Do you dream of a charming, affordable home in Cyprus, designed according to your wishes and specifications? We're here to make your dream come true. With decades of experience in this industry, our strength lies in precise construction planning, efficient coordination, and careful supervising of all processes and professional workmanship. We offer tailor-made individual solutions, especially for buyers of older buildings for extensive renovation. Your new home in Cyprus will be exactly as you envision it. We work with local architects, reliable skilled tradespeople, Cypriot authorities, and licensed real estate agents. Our service. We handle the entire renovation and building process for you, right up to your move-in. Reliability, punctuality, and quality are important to you. They are to us too. That's why we rely on hand-picked, trained, genuine professionals who meet our high standards. With our commitment to German skilled trade work, we ensure that everything will be done perfectly. Thanks to our years of experience in real estate, renovation, and construction logistics, everything runs smoothly until you hold the keys to your dream home. Do you have questions or already have a project in mind? Contact us, and together we'll make your dream home in Cyprus a reality.